How to fix Parsec error codes. First, you want to understand the error codes. Error 6023 and 6024 in Parsec usually relate to network connectivity or firewall issues. So first, you want to check your internet connection and make sure your internet is stable and working properly. Then restart your Parsec and your computer. So close the Parsec app completely and then restart your computer. Then you'll have to update Parsec to the latest devices. Open Parsec and check for updates and install any available updates. Then configure your firewall and antivirus. Add Parsec to the allowed list or exceptions in your firewall and antivirus software to prevent it from being blocked. Then reset your network settings. You can do this on Windows by going into Settings, Network and Internet, Status, and then select Network Reset. On Mac, renew your DHCP lease in Network Settings. Then check the router settings. Make sure ports required by Parsec are open. UDP ports 8000 to 8999. Then use a wired connection. If possible, switch from a Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection to improve stability. Then contact Parsec support if needed. If the issue persists, reach out to Parsec support for further assistance. If this video helps you, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.